Hi there, I'm Mr. Logue, and in this video we're going to be looking at the short multiplication method. I'm going to swap to my visualizer and we'll have a look at that method together. Here we have a calculation, 462 times 8, and for this we're going to use our short multiplication method. So what I'm going to do is set it out in the columns. And then we're multiplying by 8. And on this method, what I like to do is just make a note that this line here is going to be for numbers that I'll need to add on as we're going through. It'll make sense as we go through. Right, 8 times 2 is 16. So I put a 6 in here, and then the 1 I'm going to just put down here for now because I'm going to add that on after I've multiplied the digit in the tens column. 8 times 6 is 48, and now I'm going to add that 1, so that makes 49. And we'll do the same thing with the 4 that represents that 40. 8 times 4 is 32, plus the 4 is 36. So my answer is 3,696. Let's try a different calculation. This time we're going to try 556, and this time we'll multiply by 6. Same thing, we're going to put the digits into their columns, 5 in the hundreds, 5 in the tens, 6 in the ones, and then the multiplier just underneath here. Let's write multiplication, and as straight a line as I can do without a ruler. And then what I like to do on this method is just have that, and then we have this line which is going to be for any add-on digits as we go through. Starting in the ones column, 6 times 6 is 36. So the 6 in there and the 3 here to add on after I've multiplied the next numbers. 6 times 5 is 30, plus 3 is 33. So 3 can go in there, and the other 3 there, ready to be added on. 6 times 5 is 30, add 3, 33. 556 times 6 is 3,336. Now it's your turn. Here are 3 calculations written out. What you should do now is pause the video, have a practice using your column multiplication method. Just remember, have that little line ready at the bottom for any numbers that you need to carry over to a next column. Pause the video now, and then unpause, and I will put the answers up. Here come the answers. 264 times 2 is 528. 386 times 4 is 1,544. And 428 times 8 is 3,424. How did you do? Well done. If you need more practice, pop it in the comments and I will make another video to talk about the things that you might be finding difficult. That was my video on short multiplication. Hopefully you found it useful. As I just said, pop any comments in to let me know how you found this method. If you've got a different way of doing it, I'm interested in knowing that. I always like to find different ways of doing calculations. Bye for now.